So over here you can see that I can actually see the online status of my computer as well. For example, whatever computer I have connected, you can see it in recent sessions right here, and then you can see which computer is turned on and turned off so that you can see which computer you can connect to. But if they get turned on by any chance, then you will be able to see it back green again. So you can see that it is still red now, just like this. And now you can see that it is green because it has turned on, hence giving you an option to see like when it was turned on and when it was turned off. So if I were to actually go around over here onto the hamburger icon, and if I were to go to settings right here, you can actually enable or disable that out as well. So it says online status visibility right here. So you can go ahead and turn it off, let's say for example, and you won't be able to see the status anymore. But you can actually go back right here and turn it on again right here to see the visibility just like this once more again. So that is how you can go ahead and work around with AnyDesk online status of remote devices, just like that. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.